Sir, I request you, CMD sir, to kindly start the program by reading the message, sir.
There is a message from Dr. Mahendranath Pandey, Minister of Heavy Industries, and Sri Krishnapal Gurjar, Minister of State Heavy Industries. Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav is an initiative of the Government of India to celebrate and commemorate 75 years of progressive India and the glorious history of its people, culture and achievements. As part of this initiative, Ministry of Heavy Industries is celebrating the Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav from 10th to 16th January 2022. Ministry of Heavy Industries is focused on developing a globally competitive, green and technology-driven manufacturing sector, including automotive and capital goods sector, which propels growth and job creation. To achieve this vision, the ministry has launched a series of initiatives, including the faster adoption and manufacturing of electric vehicle scheme, national program on advanced chemistry cell battery storage, production-linked incentive scheme for automobile and auto components, scheme for enhancement of competitiveness in the Indian capital goods sector, etc. As part of the celebrations of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Ministry of Heavy Industries, in association with its CPSEs and autonomous bodies, has planned a series of events and activities at over 40 locations across the country during the week of 10 to 16 January 2022, focusing on themes of actions 75, achievement 75, idea 75, resolve 75, and freedom struggle in areas of innovation, manufacturing excellence, Atmanirbhar Bharat, environment and sustainability, Swachhata Bharat, Swastha Bharat, unsung heroes of freedom struggle, etc. The events include inaugurations, new product launches, technology demonstrations, technical exhibitions, seminars, webinars, expert lectures, yoga and meditation sessions, health camps, cultural programs, cleanliness drive, and competitions amongst children on freedom struggle and movements, etc. It has been emphasized to all units of the ministry to follow whole of government approach and ensure people's participation, that is Jan Bhagidari, in the events and activities in the week-long celebrations. Directions have also been issued to ensure COVID-19 social distancing and hygiene protocols during the events and activities. We urge everyone to participate in the planned celebrations of Ministry of Heavy Industries from 10 to 16 January 2022 under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Thank you.
Sir, thank you very much. Now I request our Director Finance, sir, to kindly read the message in Hindi.
नमस्कार, डॉक्टर महेंद्रनाथ पांडे भारी उद्योग मंत्री और श्री कृष्णपाल गुर्जर भारी उद्योग राज्य मंत्री का संदेश है। आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव प्रगतिशील भारत के 75वें वर्ष का उत्सव मनाने और जनता, संस्कृति तथा देश की उपलब्धियों के गौरवशाली इतिहास को स्मरण करने की भारत सरकार की एक पहल है। इसी पहल के तहत भारी उद्योग मंत्रालय 10 से 16 जनवरी 2022 तक आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव मना रहा है। भारी उद्योग मंत्रालय ऑटोमोटिव और कैपिटल गुड क्षेत्र सहित विश्व स्तर पर प्रतिस्पर्धी हरित और तकनीक आधारित विनिर्माण क्षेत्र के विकास पर ध्यान केंद्रित कर रहा है, जिससे विकास और रोजगार सृजन को बढ़ावा मिलता है। इस विजन को साकार करने के लिए मंत्रालय ने भारत में इलेक्ट्रिक वाहनों का तीव्र अंगीकरण और विनिर्माण फेम स्कीम, राष्ट्रीय उन्नत केमिस्ट्री सेल, एसीसी, बैटरी भंडारण कार्यक्रम, ऑटोमोबाइल और ऑटो घटक के लिए उत्पादन संबंध प्रोत्साहन PLI स्कीम, भारतीय कैपिटल गुड